Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do exercise 13.4 class 10. A new solid is there and name of the solid is frustum of a right circular cone. A right circular cone is cut off by a plane which is parallel to its base, and the upper portion is removed and the lower portion, its shape is known as frustum of cone. And you can see that the top and the base of frustum is circular. So two radii are there, radius of top and radius of base. Radius of top is r1 and radius of base is r2, and this distance is known as vertical height and this distance is known as slant height of frustum. So let us write formulas. CSA of frustum is pi r1 plus r2l. TSA of frustum, CSA plus top area and base area is known as TSA. So first we write CSA pi r1 plus r2l. Now its top area, the shape of top is circle and area of circle is pi r square. Similarly, base is in the shape of circle and area of circle is pi r square. Now volume of frustum 1/3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. Formulas are similar to the formulas of cone, and one more is there, relation between slant height, vertical height and radii of the frustum. L square can be written as h square plus r1 minus r2 square, or L is equal to h square plus r1 minus r2 square under the square root. Now we will do question number 1 of exercise 13.4. In this question, a drinking glass is given and shape of glass is a frustum, and diameter of circular ends are given 4 cm and 2 cm. So radius will be 2 cm and radius of base will be 1 cm. Its vertical height is given 14 cm. We have to find its capacity, its volume we have to find. So volume of frustum formula is 1/3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. Volume of frustum formula is 1/3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. 1/3 as it is, pi is 22/7, r1 is 2 cm and square of 2 is 4 plus r2 square. R2 is 1 cm and square of 1 is 1 plus r1 r2, 2 into 1 is 2 into h. H is 14 cm. So 1/3 as it is, 22/7. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 into 14. 7 and 7 cancelled, so it is 22 into 14 upon 3, which is 308/3, or we can say 102.67 centimeter cube is volume of glass.